Hi, welcome to Tech Helpline channel, and this is a tutorial where I'm gonna show you how to add caption on BeReal. Make sure you are already logged in, or if not, log in or sign in your account. So let me get just straight to it. First step is to launch your BeReal app. Tap on the app. After that you will be in your home screen, and if you didn't post yet, you will have another option which is post BeReal, because that's actually the concept of the app. You post one post every day, and of course people do the same. As you can see, if we go to discovery, the photo actually contains two pictures, one of your front screen and one of your back camera. As you can see here, people take two pictures. So if you want to add a caption, first of all you would like to post a post. For me, I already posted, but if you have not already posted, you can shoot a photo and you will get the same option. So to add caption to your post, there is add a caption written in the screen. Tap on that and you can write any caption you want. For me, it's the picture of my ceiling, so I'm just gonna type my ceiling and then tap on the arrow icon which is send button. Tap to send, and as you can see, caption has been added. And this is how you add caption in BeReal. Hope this video helped you. If it did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.